This is how you can finish off or cast off in Tunisian crochet. You take your hook and insert it underneath the vertical bar, yarn over, bring that through the vertical bar and through the loop on your hook. So we're basically slip stitching across underneath the vertical bar, yarn over, bring it through the vertical bar and then through the loop on your hook. And you do this all the way to the end. Whoops. So underneath the vertical bar, don't forget those 2 loops, and then you just fasten off, and that's it. If you wanted to, you could do a border all the way around, but that is how you fasten off or finish off or cast off, however you want to say it in Tunisian crochet. Thanks for watching.